Understanding, pinch at the collar. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, pinch at the collar. This phrase isn't just about clothing. It carries a deeper meaning that we'll explore together. Stay tuned to uncover the layers of this expression and how you can use it in everyday conversations. At first glance, pinch at the collar might evoke an image of someone adjusting their shirt's collar because it feels tight. Literally, it refers to the discomfort one might feel when their collar is too constricting. But in the English language, phrases often carry meanings beyond the literal. Let's delve into what more this phrase has to offer. When used figuratively, pinch at the collar describes a situation where someone is feeling pressure, stress, or discomfort in a non-physical sense. It's akin to saying someone is in a tight spot or facing a situation that makes them feel constrained or uncomfortable. This expression vividly captures the essence of being in a challenging or stressful scenario, using the physical discomfort of a tight collar as a metaphor. To help you grasp how to use pinch at the collar in conversation, let's look at some examples. With the deadlines approaching, I'm really feeling a pinch at the collar. The unexpected questions from the audience left the speaker feeling a pinch at the collar. These examples showcase how the phrase can be employed to express feelings of being under pressure or in an uncomfortable situation. While pinch at the collar is not the most common expression, it's a powerful way to convey a specific kind of discomfort or stress. It's most effective in informal settings or creative writing. When using this phrase, ensure the context is clear so your audience understands you're speaking figuratively, not literally about clothing. We hope this exploration of pinch at the collar enriches your understanding of English expressions and adds a colorful phrase to your conversational toolkit. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and emotions they convey. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!